So the errors occur because of mistakes in observed reading are called as gross error. We are going to call that one. So total three types of errors are there. Total three types of errors are there. So first, the error is nothing but the difference between the true value and the measured value. Whatever the true value, difference between true value and measured value difference is there, that will give the error. But so many ways are there to, for the variety of errors may come over there. In that one, in the measuring system, mainly the errors are classified into three types. Main three types are gross error, systematic error, random error. We are going to call that one. So the gross errors are nothing but the mistakes made by the observer while taking the readings, or after taking the readings. In the readings they have made that one, suppose 6.45 reading is there instead of 6.45, if he or him or she may be written as 6.55, like that. So that is called gross errors. We are going to call that one. To avoid this gross errors, we have to take so many readings. We have to take that one. Two or more readings we have to take that one, like that we have to. The second error is nothing but systematic error. We are going to go. Systematic error is nothing but system in the within the measuring system. How many types of errors will come? It may be instrument error. It may be observer error. Observer इस साइड से देखा तो थोड़ा वो 2 दिखते, इस साइड से देखा तो 3 दिखते, like that. Observational errors we can call that one. Within the system, instead of voltmeter I will use ammeter, like that. By taking the instrument के वजह से whatever the mistakes are will come, that is called instruments error. And the one more is environmental condition. These are also the instruments are depends on environmental conditions only. So the whatever the errors will come based on the environmental conditions, that is called environmental errors. We can call that one. Environmental errors we can call that one. And the random error is nothing but randomly some errors will come. To avoid this one, while taking the reading, it may be same like a gross, but the human mistakes may become, that is called random errors. We are going to call that is called example I will give for the random error. At the 10 o'clock 11 o'clock I have started the class. Yes or no? Class start हुआ था. Hello, is it audible?
Yes.
11 o'clock I have started the class, but suddenly due to the power supply problem, the meeting was, sorry, I have disconnected that one. The system is turned off, so I have exited from the outer. This is unexpected. Randomly it came. It is not expected error, like that the errors will come. So to avoid this one, we have to take the average value. Some more readings we have to take, average of that, all the things we have to use that one here now. So all the errors are there. To reduce the errors, the solutions are also there. To reduce this type of errors, there is a solutions also. So one by one we'll discuss about this one. Is it clear? Just I have basic types I have explained here now. Main types of errors are gross error, systematic error, random error. Remember why I am giving stress means this is compulsory question. One 4 marks question will come in your main examination. Anyhow, on 20th onwards, they are starting the offline, means maybe your exams may be offline also. Remember one thing also. Depending on that also, you have to think. While studying only, you have to think that one, it may be offline or online. But you start to study for the offline, automatically online you can pass in the online examination. So the errors are mainly classified into gross error, systematic error, and random error. One by one, we will discuss that one. First one, gross errors. The errors occurs because of mistakes in observed readings. Reading observe करने में mistake हो सकते. That is called gross error. We can call that one. Or using instruments and in recording में mistake हो सकते. And calculating mistakes are also called as gross errors. We can call that one. So while taking the reading, we done the mistake means, and if the instrument recording mistakes, or while doing the calculation mistake we have done means all these will give the errors. Those type of errors are called as gross errors. You can say that one. So these errors usually occur because of human mistakes. Who will see the reading? Who will observe the readings? Who will observe the readings? Hello?
Human.
Human being only. The person who is doing the calculation, he will observe the readings. Using a instrument, some people, they may record the values also. By time for 1 hour, after half an hour, they can note down that one. The observing, they will record into the computer or whatever it may be. And who is going to calculate these all the things? Calculation who will do? The person who want to calculate, who want to find the error, they will do that one. So because of this one, the observer is human, the noting the values is human, and calculating the measurement is for the results is human only. So this gross error is totally called as because of the human mistakes only. These errors usually occurs because of human mistakes, and these may be of any magnitude and cannot be subjected to mathematical treatment. The value or the magnitude is nothing but the value, highest value, we are going to change that one here. These may be any magnitude or cannot be subject to the mathematical treatment. In general, अभी हमको human mistakes हो सकते हैं. Anyway, everyone is not perfect. Some mistakes will happen. If you are human, some mistakes will happen. But to avoid that error or mistakes by a human being, what we have to do? Especially for this gross error, we have to avoid that one. We have to reduce the gross error. What we have to do? In general, to avoid gross error, at least 2 to 3 or more readings of the measured quantity should be taken by different observer. हर एक आदमी अभी, if you offline classes will start, then you will make 3 to 4 members per group. In that group, one person they may observe, they can take 2 to 3 readings. Another person he may take 2 to 3 readings. Like that, different people's, different observers, different readings you have to take down and calculate it. If the answer is all the persons, all different members answer is same, then the error will obviously reduce or not. Yes. Instead of taking one reading, they can take 2 or 3 readings. For first reading, kitna hai, how much answer we got. Second reading, how much answer we got. Third reading, how much we got the answer. And comparing with person 1, person 2, person 3. Which one is compare near, which one is less error? That is called the perfect value. We can say that one. We can reduce the gross error here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The second type is nothing but that is called systematic error. We are going to call that one. System, because of the errors occur due to the measuring system only. Within that measuring system or setup, we can call that one. In the measuring system or setup, whatever the errors will come, those errors are called as systematic errors. We are going to call. Systematic means not a systematic manner. It is a within the system, the errors will come over there. So system, in the measuring system, what are the components, how the errors may occur? Whatever the instrument we are going to use, because of that instrument, some errors may come. Yes or no? Because of that instrument, some errors may come. Try to give the reply. Because of the instrument, some errors will come. Those errors we are going to call as instrumental errors. We can say that one. Those errors are called instrumental errors. Particularly for that instrument only, the errors will come. Instead of ammeter, I will use voltmeter. That voltmeter, some mistakes are there, calibrated has not done, the pointer is bended, like that. The instrument errors we are going to call that one. Instrumental error. Environmental errors means In that surrounding setup, what is the environmental conditions? See here, the instruments, every measuring instrument, suppose sensing element is there, the part of the measuring instrument. Sensing element is a part of measuring instrument or not? Right? Try to give the reply. Why you people are sitting silently? Hello. What are the main types or blocks of the measuring system?
Sir.
Rule number 38.
Yes, sir.
Sensing element is part of the measuring system or not? Don't know. First class कौन attend किए उनको मालूम रहते. Other people will not understand them. So sensing element, what it will sense, the physical quantities it may sense. It may be temperature, force, pressure, and all the things. If the environmental, I will consider one simple case here. No, if the temperature is high in the summers in the room, because more than the room temperature it is there, because of that one, that sensing element or sensitivity or the whatever the efficiency of the sensing element will be reduces. So because based on the environmental conditions also some errors will come. So those type of errors are called environmental conditions, we are going to call. It may be some dust particles are there, because of the dust particles it may be slow, or some humidity is there. Yes, for that reason, if the temperature is more like that, some environmental conditions also it is effect for the measuring system. It within the system here now. The observational error, this is very important. The observation error means, see here, I will count this one, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, the pointer should be at center. The pointer should be at center. But the observer is, he will observe by sitting here. Like this, he will observe here now. The observer eye is like this. For him, the pointer, it will looks like it is connected to at middle of this one here. And if the observer is on this side, right side or left side, it will looks like it is there in the pointer, he is here. But who will stand center or within that axis of the pointer, and if he observed, he can say that one, the exact position of the pointer here now. So this side and this side, it will create the observational error. While observing only whatever the errors or mistakes we will do that one, those errors are called as observational error. We can say that one here. Is it clear? So those errors are called systematic errors. We can call that one. One by one, we'll start that one once again. So the instrumental error, these error arise due to misuse of the instruments, misuse, or due to the loading effect. Suppose load just ho gaye, then also the error will come. Misuse ho gaye, instead of that one, the only for the measurement of current we will use that one, then that instrument is used for the measurement of voltage. We can misuse that one. These error are reduce. The procedure of the measurement must be carefully planned and instrument may be recalibrated carefully. We have to set the load just ho gaye to bhi wo ho jate. Suppose example I will tell you people, by 20-liter water can you can take and you can go for the one floor, you can move that one. I will tell you people 20 liters 2 cans leke jao bol de to ho jate ke to loading capacity will be reduces or not capacity, the loading capacity, your stamina, strength will be reduces. So your whatever the rated value is there, rated load, the calibration will set that one. More than that we have applied, then it will obviously start. Example, I will give the bike also. In the new, when you will purchase the new bike, the average will be good for single persons. After that one, instead of 2 seats, you will continuously will ride for the 3 seat. 3 सीट ड्राइव किया तो माइलेज सेम मिलते क्या तुमको? For the triple seat rides, you will get the same mileage or it will drop. Boys, question is related to you people only. Hello. Really, I am getting irritation. I think not. I think you people are not ready to reply means what is the use of studying? What is the use of telling you people then? You don't want to interact with me? Hello. You don't want to interact? Roll number 23. Roll number 23. Korke. Roll number 23. Korke. I will remove you. Once again, I will call your name. Roll number 23. Roll number 29. Roll number.
Yes, sir.
Huh. Question is related to you peoples only. What is the problem with you peoples to unmute and talk? कुछ problem है क्या? No need to ask any questions. Simply I will read and I will explain them. This subject is complete theory subject. Interaction will give more knowledge. You have to interact with me. Then only I can explain more and you can understand these topics. Otherwise, while explaining, you will think that one I have understood, but after 2 to 3 days, you will forget everything. So these errors are reduced. The procedure of measurement must be carefully planned. First, what we have to connect, which meter we have to take down, where we have to connect, what is the input, what is the output, we have to think that one, and maybe calibrate it carefully. So the second one is environmental errors. Because of the surrounding environment, whatever the errors will occur, those are called environmental errors. We can say that one here. These errors are due to conditions external to the measuring device, including condition in a area surrounding the instrument. How much, which area is there, what is the environmental condition of that area, that is called, it is dependent here. Now these may be effects of temperature, pressure, humidity, dust, vibration of external magnetic here. Example, best example I will give. All of you are using the mobile phone use kar rahe?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So everyone is using the mobile. In the summer or wherever the sunlight is more or the temperature is more, in that condition you operate the mobile. You will feel your mobile is heating. Your mobile is get heat more because surrounding area is also increases the heat of your mobile, as well as whatever the internal operation is there, it will improve the heat, increases the heat. So because of that, the heat will be increases. So it is depends on environmental condition. Obviously, like that, the devices also, the environmental condition is very important here. No, because of the dust particles also, some pointer movement will be vary, and because of the vibration, continuous vibration, the pointer, it will take some time to settle at particular value or particular reading. It may be because of the vibration, it may be like this, it is some oscillations may be produces here. No, so that is called the environmental errors we are going to call. The observational error, these are many sources of observational errors. As an example, the pointer of the voltmeter rests slightly above the surface of the scale. To understand this one, we'll take one diagram here now. We'll take one diagram that is called, this is here now. This one we'll take here now. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See here, the pointer, the observer is here. He is the observer. Okay. Actual pointer we can see here at 250 it is there. At 250 it is there here now. For the observer, what he will do, he is observing from this side. he will not see that one. The outside that line he will not see. Instead of that one, he can say that one it is 249.5 only. It will looks like here only. It is straight line. It will looks like, because of this pointer, it will comes here only. It will see by this direction. It will see here. So it will 0.5 error. He will get that one. If the observer is at the right side of the pointer, he can say that one the 0.5 value he will increase more. He can say that one it is 2 for 55.5. We can say that one. Pointer will reflects here. The pointer will reflects here. We can say that one. Just a minute. So 250 volt. But if the observer is at center of that one here, if the center, what is this one? This is a mirror here. Is a mirror observation reading. It is a mirror. Because of this mirror, the pointer reflection will come at this point only. The pointer reflection will come at this point only. For that reason, 0.5 mismatch. Here the 0.5 he can give more, and at this point, at the center point, he can say the correct value. He can say that one. So this type of observation errors are mitigated, or we can reduce the observational error by straight at the axis of the pointer only. We have to observe, we'll get the correct answer here. Now there is no reflection here. Now इधर side से देखो तो reflection दिख रहा है क्या इधर? Same pointer, it will reflect here. No, it will not observe. But because of this mirror, this pointer reflection will see here only, and because of this mirror, the pointer reflection will see here only. So these two errors are the observational errors are we can recover, we can reduce by center of the meter or at the axis of the pointer. We have to observe the meeting. Is it clear? Any doubts? Observational error, any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
The last error is nothing but random error. The third one is main type of error. The third error is called random error. It has been consistently found that experimental result shows variation from one reading to another reading. See, one reading you have taken, it will not give the same answer of the second reading here. Now the happenings or disturbances about which we are unaware are lumped together and are called random or residual errors. We are going to call that one here. Now all the errors, they are joined together or added together, and they will give that one lumped together and are called random error or residual errors. We are going to tell that one here. The effect of random errors is minimized by measuring the given quantity. We can measure many times, not only one time. अभी डाउट आए तो और एक बार चेक करने का, और एक बार चेक करने का, और एक बार चेक करने का. Then the same conditions and calculating the arithmetic mean value, average value we have to remove. We have to take that one, and we can get the result obtained here. Now we can compare that one here. So the experimental results we have to take many times. We have to take same reading, same for the same load. Suppose nearly 2 to 3 times or 5 to 6 times more readings. Many times we have to take that one, and we have to compare the answers over there. Which answers will come same, that one we can same, that we can call that one random errors are reduced here. Now is it clear? Randomly the errors will come. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
No doubts? How many types of errors are there mainly?
3 types.
How many types of systematic errors are there?
3 types.
3
types.
3 types. What do you mean by observational error? Okay, no problem. So these are the errors we are going to call that one here. Now this is observational error, and systematic errors, and the total errors are called gross error, systematic errors. The systematic errors are again classified into three types. We can say here only. The systematic errors are classified into three types. The main errors are three types. Again, the middle one, the systematic errors are all again classified into three types. That is instrument error, and what is observational error, and gross error. We can call that one here. Sorry, not gross. What is that one? Environmental errors. We can call that one here. IOE, we can call that one instrument, or environmental. IEO also we can call that one. We can remembering method. We can say that one here. So the next topic will go for the characteristics of the instruments or measuring instruments. We can say that one. There are mainly two types of characteristics are there: static characteristics and dynamic characteristics mainly. So we'll continue these characteristics in the next class. Actually, I will tell you just a minute.